managot ang kailangan managot. Whether they're government officials, contractors, suppliers, politicians, or career officials. Sana wala nang mangarang pa sa mga gagawin ng DOTR. Yun na lang po.
What do you mean by that?
Hindi ko po alam. Basta sana wala nang mangarang pa. May writ of possession na sila. Lahat ng mga permits, even sa LGU, kompleto na po sila. Para sa subway, maasa tayo na dire-diretso na talaga.
Sir, off tangent, your observation, Senate hearing in Senate and House.
Wala na naman po akong additional comment, sir. Yun na yun. I will let the senators do their job.
Does your Facebook post can they get a soundbite? So, for example, you said maybe towards the latter part of your face, maybe parang white elephant dun na hindi naman nila magagawa yan without the help of the sectors. Can you elaborate on that?
Well, yes. I think I've already said what I have to say. Tuloy-tuloy lang kung ano naman yung maitutulong namin as local government. Of course, we're doing our own parallel investigations. Ang importante dito, managot ang kailangan managot. Whether they're government officials, contractors, suppliers, politicians, or career officials, importante may managot. Hindi pwedeng pagkatapos ng ilang buwan, tatahimik na lang ang issue, tapos magkakalimutan na tayo. Hindi pwede. Huwag tayong pumayag bilang mga mamamayang Pilipino, bilang government official, bilang ordinaryong mamamayan, bilang media. Huwag tayong pumayag na magkalimutan tayo after 2 months, after 2 years for that matter. Kailangan manatiling buhay yung issue. Kailangan makasuhan yung mga dapat kasuhan. So on our end, we're doing our part. We're doing parallel investigations. We're assisting even national government agencies kung anong kailangan sa amin. Kahapon may isang national government agency na humingi ng mga dokumento sa LGU. So binigay namin kaagad on the same day. So let's all do our part to make sure that the people who are guilty are held accountable.
Mayor, should you
Parallel investigation into what agency, what documents it is?
Yes, may mga basic muna. May mga business permits muna. I'm not sure if they would want me to, baka confidential pa yung investigation nila. So hindi ko muna, sila na lang magsabi. Basta sa amin, nagbibigay kami kung anong mga documents. Public documents naman ito eh.
Mayor, should you be invited to the Senate, are you willing to testify against the Vizcayas kung sakasakali?
Wala namang invitation sa akin sa ngayon.
Pero you will attend kung sakaling papuntahin kayo, sir?
Kahit sino naman po, hindi naman yan kung gusto o hindi. Pag sila nagpatawag, required po yun.
Your comment on what happened yesterday, sir, na mga 12 sasakyan ng mga Vizcaya yung nakumpiska ng Bureau of Customs. So nasa custody ng BOC.
Wala na po akong additional comments, sir. Bahala na po ang customs. Pero ang importante, yung mga infrastructure projects na hindi na maulit. Kasi paulit-ulit na yung nangyayari sa atin eh. Kailangan po matigil na yung mga kalakaran na alam naman natin. Kami sa gobyerno, alam natin nangyayari ito. Kayo sa media, alam nyo nangyayari ito. Kahit ang ordinaryong mamamayan, mulat na eh, alam na rin nila na totoo yung mga kwento na kung ano yung SOP, porsentuhan, hatian, alam na natin lahat eh. Kailangan matigil to. So, yun lang naman yung sa akin.
But are you hopeful na may mapapanagot sa Senado, Mayor? Or Senate House, whatever investigation, independent probe, are you hopeful that someone, heads will roll?
Well, the good thing about the inquiries in aid of legislation, be it Blue Ribbon Committee of the Senate or TRICOM or any other committee, at least the spotlight is on them. The spotlight are on these contractors, DPWH if needed. But really what's important is that cases are filed, whether with the Ombudsman or with the appropriate courts. So yun talaga yung pinaka-importante dito. So maganda naman yung nangyayari ngayon, at least na pag-uusapan, nakikita. Of course, Senate and the House, they have their powers, pwede sila magsabina ng tao, ng documents. So magandang simula yun. Pero sa dulo, importante dito, and what we're trying to help with is that the appropriate cases be filed.
Sorry, records of what projects?
Records right now, not yet of specific projects, but of these contractors and for instance, their business permits. Tinitingnan ng National Government Agency kung saan ba talaga, kasi may iba-iba mukhang mga fraudulent documents, may fraud sa mga kontrata. So, yun po muna, nag-case build up tayo. Tapos may ilan na rin naman na proyekto. Nag-submit na rin po ako sa DPWH ng sulat mula sa akin, mula sa lokal na pamahalaan para sa isang Freedom of Information or FOI request for documents pertaining to flood control projects within our jurisdiction.
How many do you have?
Yung nasa sumbong sa Pangulo page, di ko matandaan exactly kung ilan. Kasi yung iba, hindi namin alam niyo naman yung sinasabi na rin. Ano ba?
Yung hinihingi mo, FOI, sa DPWH, ilan yan?
I-double check ko, baka mali yung number na masabi ko, pero few dozen. Salamat po.